Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. The hue and saturation adjustment layer is the most easy method to change a certain color for an image in Photoshop. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The Pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. We can create a hue and saturation adjustment layer in the Layers panel. At the top of this Properties panel are the presets from Photoshop. We can see that by selecting different presets, Photoshop will adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness accordingly. Of course, what we want is to control the hue, saturation, and lightness manually. At the top is a colorful hue slider which controls all the hue of this image. Dragging this slider around will change the tone of the entire image. The following two sliders are saturation and lightness. Moving saturation to the left will reduce saturation, to the right will increase saturation. Lightness to the left is darker and to the right is brighter. Here, we can also adjust a certain color channel individually. For example, if we select the red channel, then drag hue, saturation, or lightness at this time. Color adjustment will be focused on red. Click this icon, then move the mouse to the red area of the image. Then click and drag to the left or right. We can individually adjust the saturation of the red color of this image. Another method to control the color range is the color bar at the bottom. We can focus the range here to the red area and drag the hue, saturation, or lightness to only adjust the read in the image. In general, the hue and saturation adjustment layer allows you to make individual adjustments to a certain color of the image. You can easily change the color of dress like this in the image. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.